Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in a platinum trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with some great accessories installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift kit, pocket-style fender flares, some offset bulletproof mud flaps, sitting on some 20-inch Moto metal rims with some big old 35-inch open country or TOYO all-terrain open country tires on there too. You've got some nice accessories right there, but let's take a look inside. So first, taking a look in the back where you have your power-deployable running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting into your lifted truck. And looking in, you have very spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, with 2 more in the center there, and a 12-volt, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt power outlet, as well as having heated rear seats, so you're going to be able to stay cozy even in the back seat. And then the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here, and you do have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle too. Now this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold or hot afternoons to warm or cool your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. So now sitting in the truck and moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control controls with distance pacing technology, and you have your controls for your center info screen here where you can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 stats, your fuel economy, compass, auto start stop status, and other information such as your turbo gauge, tire pressures, digital speedometer, and your engine info. You also have your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. And then you do also have your My View where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm in the cold months. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And then above that, you do also have your hill descent assist, traction control shut off, hazards, and your front-facing camera view, as well as 360, because this vehicle does have 360 cameras and sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. And you have your nice front view and your auto start stop, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. It does also have a premium B&O audio system, so your audio is going to sound pretty nice. Then just shifting into reverse real quick, do also have a backup camera. Once I've mentioned this already, backup and full 360 view, so you can see all around yourself and hopefully avoid hitting anything with dynamic hitch view, so you're hopefully going to be able to hook up a trailer a bit easier with that. And then moving down from that, you have your physical media and climate controls here with dual front climate once again, and heated and air conditioned front seats. One thing I forgot to mention is you do also have massaging front seats to keep your blood circulation going while you're on those long road trips. To the left of all of that though, you have your 4x4 controls here with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, pro trailer backup assist underneath that, and then your trailer brake controller right at the bottom. And on the right you have a 12-volt power outlet and a 110-volt power outlet. Then down here you have this compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space for your stuff. Then moving on, you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector down here for things such as normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. You have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your lane departure warning or lane keep assist, and your parallel park assist, as you can see there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest here, which is lockable. And then you have a removable tray and a ton of space, as well as another 12-volt power outlet, so you can even plug something in from there. And then looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a big old twin panel moonroof up top, so you can let in some sunshine on a nice sunny day, or a breeze while you're out for a cruise. but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're looking for a truck with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, this is certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.